Hey guys, it's your girl NJ, and what's poppin'? Brand new vid just dropped and as I can tell from the title, what we doing today? We have a Luvme hair review. Yeah, so I've been so excited to try this hair, like so excited. I already have the unit out here. It's the chocolate brown curly unit. It is 20 inches, transparent lace. I don't know if this is bleached already or not. It doesn't really look like it to me, but I don't feel like bleaching it. Okay, y'all, so this unit is supposed to be rootless, and what? No. In the package comes with this little baggie. It's so cute. In the bag is a like a head wrap tie thingy. And then it comes with a edge brush. And y'all, my favorite thing that come in here is a little mirror. It's a little mirror. Like, that's so cool. So cool. So when you outside and you feel like your wig is lifting, you just be like, but yeah, that's really cool. I'm probably gonna use this, so I'm gonna leave that out. And then, but yeah, y'all, I have and then it comes with this bag. It comes with the Luvme bag. So yeah, y'all, I know I look crazy and I probably look sick because I haven't been able to eat anything. I think I got food poisoning. This unit is supposed to be glueless, like I said, and transparent lace. Yeah, it looks like it's a, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's tinted or not, but I do have some lace tint because I am not bleaching this right now. I just really don't have the time. Gonna let that dry. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but let's see if I want a side part or a middle part. I don't know, y'all. Yeah, I don't have no makeup to put on my wig, so I don't know what I'm going to do for it. Maybe if I layer it. So I think we're okay now. I don't know what I did, but I'm not gonna do nothing else because I like it like this. This is how it is. This is how it's gonna be.
I didn't know you even drink this stuff.
Where am I at?
I didn't know you drink this stuff.
I don't. Oh, I don't. Huh? They don't.
Nervous.
About what?
Cutting this.
Don't want to cut it.
Because I gotta cut it.
Do you really?
Do you really?
What is the one flow? That's what I use like a
Why don't you let me cut it?
Huh?
I know what good stuff.
Are you too short?
Are you putting music on?
Man, all the time when I sit back, relax. You hear me? So we got the mannequin. Right, this is where you put the wigs on. You feel me? Put the wigs on. She got my thumbtack in here. This is where we put the wigs on them. What you got thumbtack for?
To hold the lace down.
Put the lace in. Right there. You see that? That's where the lace goes. That's the top of the lace. You put the thumbtack. Hold it down. You feel me?
You got it. Let me see where I should put my baby hair.
Man, so we single today.
Huh?
Oh, so we single today.
What are you talking about? It's in the kitchen because I washed my hair. Calm down. You think this looks fine? You think I can go outside like this? What's wrong with it?
You don't have your edges laid.
Other than that.
The middle part.
What do you mean the middle part?
I'm just taking guesses here at this point.
What is funny?
I'm not laughing as if something's funny.
Go away.
I can't chuckle as if it's adorable.
I don't want to burn.
Don't do a part there, leave it. Just gotta work it out.
Can you give me my trouble?
What are you doing? What is wrong with you? Why are you recording this for laughs and giggles? This ain't no laughing giggles. You up here about to cut some bangs. What is wrong with you? What you got going on, yo? You was literally about to go straight across the top, bro. What you got going on, man? I ain't never seen nothing like that, man. Why we start doing that, man? Hey, man, this ain't funny, man. You was not about to do that. You were not about to do that. If them joints become uneven, What is wrong with you? And you're cutting it like that. Yeah, you tweaking. What is wrong with you?
Pretty. I'm gonna start over.
I'm not. What's wrong with that? Like the way you stop.
Well, this is how my hair turned out. We're gonna have to redo this install, but yeah.